You know, when it comes to Halloween candy, you're going to see a lot of it over the next few weeks. And if your kids are eating a lot, all the candy can have an impact on their teeth. Dr. Ali Shazib is a Chief Clinical Officer and Associate Professor for HPU's Workman School of Dental Medicine. He joins us to talk about that. Good morning.
Good morning, Brad. Thanks for having me here.
Glad to have you here. So candy is not necessarily all bad, but you just have to work moderation into the conversation there, right?
I think that's a great point. You know, candy is fun. Candy is something we should enjoy. But the most important question is how can we ensure we have good oral health and we can enjoy Halloween? So I think there's some items that are strategies that would help us ensure that we are eating the right amount of candies and using the right amount of strategies to make sure we have good oral health.
So first off, for parents, what are some candies that maybe they need to be wary of, or ones that might cause problems more than others?
So to simplify it, you know, the exposure of candy is having sugar in your mouth, and that leads to acid.
Okay.
And the bacteria in your mouth love sugar, so they release acid. The longer there is sugar in the mouth, the longer your teeth get exposed to acid, and then they start to rot. So the goal is have candies that may be sticky or tough or hard, but rinse your mouth right after, brush right after, so that the mouth recovers from the acidity and then the teeth don't get decayed.
Let the kids enjoy it, but also let them enjoy brushing their teeth after that.
Absolutely.
And that's the way to do it. We often hear that hard candies are tough on your teeth too.
So hard candies are tough. They can sometimes increase the incidence of fractures of the teeth or teeth breaking.
The hard chewing kind.
The really hard, tough chewing candies. Like sometimes they can lead to increased ED visits to the hospital during Halloween because teeth break. The goal is to avoid really tough, hard candies. Then you have sour candies, which are really heavy in sugar, and then they can sometimes stick to areas in the teeth that are hard to clean.
What are some good options? If we stay away from the hard stuff, go to, I guess, softer candies, but any in particular that are better than the rest?
Yeah, so I mean, I think candies overall, if we know that they're tough or hard, I think softer are better. You know, if you're having chocolate, darker chocolate's better than regular chocolate. There are sugar-free candies that are very favorable, and they have xylitol. Xylitol is a type of sugar that bacteria don't release acid from, and they're pretty healthy for cavities. So those are some strategies to look at. And one of the more important things is set up a cheat time. If you're going to have candies, set up a time. And then right after you have your favorite candies, rinse your mouth, let it rest, brush it, and happy.
So much
treat.
more practical than saying you can't have this or can't have that. Have fun with Halloween, but do it sensibly.
Absolutely endorse that.
Doctor, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Great advice, and the kids like it too.
Thank you.